Hi, I've got a Mildew washing machine, 5 years old. Pretty good condition. Try keep it clean. But at the moment, like everybody has, it's disgusting in the build-up of mildew. I usually put on a 90 wash, but I've forgotten to do it recently. I usually do it once a month. It's not too bad there. I have been putting on a 90 wash, but someone told me to put crystals in it to try and get it cleaner. So I'm going to do that today. It's going to take a few attempts, but hopefully it will work. So let's give it a go, yeah? Right, I'm going to put on a 90 wash, 700 spin, intensive wash. Got my soda crystals, I meant to say. Hopefully this will work, don't know yet. Even if it works the first time, it's going to take a few attempts to get it all off to the right mark. So I usually wash on a 40, not a 90. So I'm going to give that a go. And see if it works. I'll do a few attempts of this, and if it works I'll make another video and put it together with this one. Show you what happened. Thanks, bye.